What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Today is going to be the day I do a full service and fix up my clutch. But before that, I'm going to have lunch first with my friends, my college mates. And let's go!
Okay. You park dekat GT kan? Apa? You park GT kan? Then check can help us lah.
Lunch time sekarang. Tuan Darwin, Syed, Sentiran. Ni LC punya, rempit tau. Rempit kan? Okay, waiting for my my nasi ayam. What?
Chicken rice lah, chicken rice.
Ayam lah, nasi ayam lah. Waiting for my nasi ayam, and then we're gonna go to BJ, the Orange Bike Shop, fix up the clutch and full service lah. See you guys, ciao. So actually, I'm heading to the Orange Bike Shop now. I've been there once. It was last week because you know what happened? The tank, the gas tank leaks, and then the fuel drips lah. And I was like, oh man, I was panicked, you know. And then I didn't even take my camera because I ran out of battery. And then I just went straight there. So after I did fix my tank, and then they also advised me they gave me some advice lah. They gave me advices like not to go to top speed with this bike, because the top speed is for Duke 200, it's 137, I think. That's the top speed. Because when it cuts off, it's not like you have no power, you know. It's braking. The bike is like braking, engine braking. There's one guy that told me about this. So he said, jaga lah, don't go exceed like 130 like that. You top also, you control yourself lah. 129. Then enough lah, don't. And for now, I don't think I'll be going anywhere close to 130 lah. Maybe 100 for me is my top. Wow, so jam. Guess how much I used up the money to fix the tank. Yep, 608 at Orange Bike Shop. But from what I've heard, the people there, what they say is Orange Bike Shop is one of the most trustable place you can fix, because they are actually KTM authorized service center, I think so. And then it should last, because some places they don't really know how to fix. They got the parts, and then when they tighten the screws underneath the tank one, they overdo it, and then it breaks. The tank will crack. A lot of the people, I mean like bike shops, they don't really know how to fix it. Like they know how to fix it lah, but our tank is a plastic one. I can't remember what it's really called. You see, riding bikes is so nice. Ayah. I'm a newbie, sorry that I stalled. And then there's this Chinese guy, a bit chubby, that fixed my bike. He told me that my clutch is not that nice also. It's better for me to change it because once it breaks, I mean the clutch plates breaks, I couldn't even move my bike, you know. So might as well just change it as soon as possible. I don't like troublesome stuff lah. Then so here I am, poor student, saved up all my money, do these kind of things, but expected lah, because I bought a second-hand bike, right? So I can't really say much. And one more thing, I bought this bike from where? I saw it on muda.com. It says that owner is a very careful owner. I know I'm done to trust them. Oh, that lorry, the van really drives like an idiot one, right? And I trust them, and I go there, I see the condition is quite nice, mileage 7,000. Then I just buy lah. Bought with cash. I didn't know much about bikes. Check got scratches or not, no scratches, nothing. got lah a bit lah. So I thought it was like minor stuff lah. Then I just go and buy lah. Buy already. That day tank broken, crack. I went to the orange bike shop. Then they helped me check, check see lah, because I wanted to do full service at that time one. I didn't know the tank was like 600 plus. So it's quite expensive. I didn't have that much cash with me. Then after that, never mind lah, I just fix the tank first lah. So this week I'm gonna fix up everything lah. And once they open not everything lah, they open the air box lah. And then there was no radiator, there was no air filter inside, I was like, shit! Really ah? My god! How bad can a shop be for not having air filter in the bike and still say that the owner is very careful? Is that even a bike shop or not? I mean, like, do you even know how to service a bike or what or not? So I'm actually very disappointed lah, because at least if you give me a radiator, why am I keep saying radiator? At least you give me one air filter also, I happy, right? Not to say, at least like not to the point that I got no air filter lah. That is like scamming way. You say it's a good bike, this and that lah. Ayo. And then now what? Sad boy lah. What the vibration on the foot pegs for this Duke. Man, it's heavy. It's so vibrate. The vibration is so strong. I don't feel the vibration that much on the handlebars, but the foot pegs they are really strong. Because I don't know why. Like, I see like some of the reviews of this Duke 200 before buying it. And they say they had the vibration is strong, but I don't actually feel it on the handlebar. And also there's one kind of noise, ticking one. Like after I let go the throttle, it's like tick 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 tick. I'm not sure where it comes from, but I'm quite sure it's from the front lah. Scared me. Oh yo, my tires will have to change. I'm planning to change maybe next month lah. Don't rain lah, please lah. I wanna go home lah. I didn't bring raincoat lah. We are about there. The orange bike shop. I came in once, but I don't know if I can remember. I think I can lah. Oh, I should have turned in front, huh? I should have turned in here. If you all wanna come lah. I really recommend this place lah. I heard that they say that it's a bit expensive, but even though it's a bit expensive also, if it's worth it, then it's worth it lah. If it can last, then okay, no problem. I don't mind paying extra. I think I overshoot. Haha. Yeah, here. Yeah, can you see KTM? Okay, so we are here. Oh, there's this Mustang. They're disassembling everything. The least that I'll be doing is I'll be changing the clutch plate and many more. I'll show it to the videos here later, because I don't know where's the paper right now. What's up? Okay, so everything is done. Clutch been changed, everything has been changed, full service, this and that, Cost me, guess what? 800. Yep, 800. But I test rode it. It's worth it. It is worth it because the clutch previously it was like it can't go back all the way. So I did some modification. This is the max it could go just now, and then now it's like this. So can lah. So I can keep this clutch. It is so light, feels so light, it's so nice, and let's go. Oh yes! It is so smooth. Even if I wanna downshift rev match, also like damn smooth, you know. Took me quite a few hours. What time I arrived there? 2-3 o'clock, and then now is 6:15. All done, everything is done. Air filter, original air filter, cost me about 100. Really, you know, I can feel it that much, exactly that much. Is okay. I had a conversation with one of the guy there, and it's friendly, but he gave me a lot of the incorrect advices lah. Like, have you heard of people unplugging one of the cables behind to stop anyone steal your bike? If yes, please don't do it. Don't do it, because it messes up your ECU, and once your ECU is gone, you know how much it costs? 1,000 bucks. 1,000 plus lah, not 1,000 1,000 plus. And I still hear noises from my brake. It says that if my the noise, the tick 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 noise, when you don't use this bike, when you don't use a bike for long period of time, and then the brake pad is going to get hard. When it get hard, the sound like that will happen. I don't know, that's what he said lah. Now I'm on my way home. Hopefully it's not that jam yet, but I think it's already jam lah, 6 something already. Plus I'm afraid of jam, so never mind, let it be. Oh, the red light damn long. This Duke is hot. The engine is hot. Hot. So, Orange Bike Shop, do I recommend it? Hell yes. Especially, I think for anyone lah, newbies or pros or whoever you are lah, as long as you ride the KTM yes, I recommend it. You know why? Because I was there all the time when he fixed things, and I said, is it okay if I stay here and just watch and learn? He said, yeah, no problem, come. And plus he told me that it's actually good that you come and watch, because I'm afraid that I'm going to be in the way while they're working. So they're very friendly. There's one guy called Ashong, and his brother. They're both very friendly. The first time I went there, his little brother fixed my tank, replaced my tank. Service was superb. His service, the way he talked, everything, it's all very nice. Advice, good advice. And then there was this guy who was giving me bad advice about taking out one of the switch at the pillion seat there to prevent people stealing your bike. Okay, I thought this was weird, and so I went and asked that Ashong guy, the skinnier one, his elder brother, and he said, no, don't do that, don't ever do that. Once you mess up your ECU, 1,000 bucks, 1,000 plus. That is what happened when you mess up your ECU. I feel like I have to relearn again my clutch, the friction zone, because I'm quite not used to it now. Just mind hentam lah. Go back, practice again lah, never mind. Brake pads, I think so, maybe in the future lah, because brake pads still got a lot. but expensive lah, 150 or for a decent I mean the original one. I don't want to change like a bad quality one because brake is so important. Excuse me. Excuse me. I have a bit of fear for lorry, so maximum precautions. I've been hit by lorry once, not me lah, I mean like my car lah, while I was in it. It was a trailer, a big ass trailer, damn long. It's like it's longer than a bus. I think he didn't notice me and then sandwiched me to the divider and still didn't notice me. So what to do? Oh, jam, federal jam. Every day is a federal jam. Wait, why? Ew. How? Since when this thing fell off? Lip, come off? No, right? Very awkward lah this mirror. So far everything's been good. I love the ride. The ride quality now is so much better compared to just now. I'm about home. So see you all next time. And please like, share, subscribe, comments, let me know if I'm doing anything wrong. And thank you for your time. Bye.